Good morning, guys. We are at a new hotel. So this morning we drove all the way through the mountains, cross country, all the way to where we are now in Andalo. This is our room. It's very Italian, kind of what you expect when you come on a ski holiday. We have two balconies. Holy kahunas, I don't know what I was gonna say. Guys, the view.
It's a good view, isn't it? I mean, really? Like, really? Look at it. And then on the other side, we have this view. The lift to the ski piste, the church. Trentino is delivering the goods, babe, time and time again. It's almost time. It's happening. I'm actually running off the cliff. I'm actually getting a little bit nervous. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, it's happening. We are triple checking. We are setting up. Oh! Those little thin strings are gonna keep us up, and we are gonna run off the cliff. Piero and I are strapped in, almost good to go. George is in front. Whoa! We've got Graham with the drone ready. Oh! Ah! Got butterflies now! This way? Straight? One. A proper soft landing. We did it.
How's that?
Good, we did it. Yay! I want to go again. We went down the hill.
That's so cool.
No feet. That was sick. It was so sick. And I put it on high turbo and it really it
Fat biking is so cool. These little electric boxes are awesome. You're going uphill, but then you go like on a high gear and it just boosts you forward, so you don't even really, you still have to work a little bit, but it's proper cool.
That was good. So pretty in the snow. Kind of felt like Narnia, you know, driving through Narnia with my electric super bike. Morning. We are here really early for sunrise. we are looking at an insane view where we're going to wait for the sun to pop up. You're overlooking Trento. So yesterday we found ourselves on top of that cliff, Paganella. As you know, we're here on a press trip, so we're kind of giving you a behind the scene of what it's like when you take about 28 influencers to a destination. And check it out, everyone's setting up tripods, they're all getting the shots. It's very exciting behind the scenes here. I'll be back with another report.
Okay guys, we just stumbled out of the forest and we were trying to look for survival methods and we found this wild picnic table. Survival is actually pretty easy.
Guys, check this view out behind us. It's insane. Look at it.
It's like a whole valley and you see all the little villages really congregated, all the houses, don't you? Made it to the top, 2,125 meters. Okay, there's a welcome bar here for us. We got champagne, we got Trento dog, which is obviously the Trentino Prosecco. Not allowed to say Prosecco, but then you know what I mean. So inside the mountain hut, oh, lunch is served and I have the linguine clams. Oh, if you could only smell this. Okay, just for the stories I took a bite and it's super hot.
Laundry.
Okay guys, we're going in. We've got tagliatelle with mushrooms.
It's so hot.
Bellissimo!
For dessert of desserts, we have a baby bombardino. Traditionally, what you would have is egg liqueur or advocaat in my language, brandy and then whipped cream. But this one is with chocolate and cream and it's alcohol free. Oh my god. Oh god.
Oh wow.
What do you think?
It's like, yeah, it's like a chocolate mousse, a running chocolate mousse, and then
that's what it is.
the mascarpone on top. Whoa, and I wasn't even going to try this because I'm full up, but oh my god, loving it.
We are playing sweet and sour. Charlotte knew what it was called. Basically, we wave to random people on the lift. If they wave back, they're sweet. If they don't wave back, they're sour. Let's test it out. Here we go.
Yay! Hello, ciao. Yeah, sweet.
Yeah, you're sweet. Yay! Come in. Run, 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 run! Okay guys, we've come down to the bottom of the mountain. We're waiting for everyone else, so we're going to put a few tunes on to keep ourselves warm and have a little dance. We've got sweet and sour. If they join in dancing, then they're sweet. If they don't, then they're sour.
She's a roller coaster.
Okay, tonight we are going to be, for the first time together, night skiing on the piste. The bullies are about to prepare the piste. What's happening?
We're packing up to leave, unfortunately. So our time in Trentino, where have we been? Val di Sol, Madonna di Campiglio, now Paganella. We're leaving them
Bags are packed. This view has been epic, I'm gonna miss it. Like, literally the bed is here and this is our view. Super lucky. And basically we've walked what? 500 meters and the lift is right there.
Yeah.
Anyway, we will see you next time when we are somewhere totally different. I guess somewhere quite warm, I'm hoping, because it's pretty chilly.
Yes.
Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.